If you want to restore default wallpaper on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then first of all we're gonna open Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then choose Wallpaper. And you might be able to still find the default wallpaper over here among these sets, so you can go all the way to the left side in order to find it. Of course, as long as it is still there, so we can tap on Set as Current if you want to. However, let's say that we do not have this set, and in order to add it, we can just tap on Add New Wallpaper at the bottom, or you can scroll all the way to the right side in order to tap on this plus button. And over here in features, you should be able to find iOS 26, and you can use that, or you can scroll down and try to find iOS 26 over here. And usually you need to choose this first option because it is usually dynamic. If you chose anything else, then you might need to swipe to choose the dynamic. Usually this is the default wallpaper, of course. And then in that case, you can just press Add in the upper right corner. You can set as pair, and that's all. Now we have this default wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.